I gotta be careful when you get to the edge of this thing. It likes to tip.
It what?
It likes to tip.
All of the pallet.
Yeah.
Here, I grabbed you 2 extra screws. Just in case.
All right. I would imagine this thing isn't going to have too much tension on it. Or we'll just have to go get the tap cons. But now if I can get in there. Oh. Oh yeah, she's sturdy. You want to unlock the door, move the ladder? We'll see if she's going to hold. Whee! What?
I thought I was going to catch this valve right here.
Oh yeah, well I mean, look at that. That's how you move the ladder. Let's see how far we can go. Oh no! Is that all the way? No. Is it? Oh, okay. You gotta move the ladder, it won't stay up. Too much weight. Alright, success. That concludes this video. Yep. Go ahead and lower me. Just in the nick of time, my battery's gonna die.